Hello guys, and welcome back to Psych Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix igniting the Timestream error in Marvel Rivals. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to Steam. From Steam, go over to Library, and then from Library look for Marvel Rivals and right click on it, hit Properties. From here you want to make your way over to Installed Files, and then go ahead and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. And what this does is this basically checks if there are any corrupt files, and it will fix that issue. Now you can go ahead and X out, start up Marvel Rivals, and that should fix the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is, if you have Marvel Rivals open, go ahead and open up the Task Manager by either clicking Control, Shift, and Escape at the same time, or just searching it up in the search bar. But anyways, once the Task Manager is open, you want to look for Marvel Rivals here. You could either just type it in as well, Marvel Rivals. But what you want to do is, once you find it, basically, what you want to do is you want to right click on it and you want to hit end task, and then you want to start it up, and then that should also help fix the issue. The third thing that you guys can do is that it's possible that the servers are just down, so you can go ahead and just type in Google Marvel Rivals servers, and if it is down, then all you can do is wait. And then the fourth thing you guys can do is just check your internet connection, make sure everything is working fine, and you can always restart your Wi-Fi router as well. And that should be it for the video. That is it. That is how to fix igniting the Timestream error. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.